talking about EC2 Image Builder. It is used to automate the creation of virtual machines or container images. It automates the creation, maintenance, validate, and test EC2 images. Can be run on a schedule weekly whenever packages are updated, etc. It is a free service, only pay for the underlying resources. Now let's look on for a hands-on. Search for EC2 Builder, Image Builder, create an image pipeline, enter pipeline name, my demo pipeline. So first of all, this is how what the process of EC2 Image Builder looks like. You create a builder instance, then a EMI, test EC2 instance, then EMI is distributed across multiple regions. Search for EC2 Image Builder, create image pipeline, enter the pipeline as name as my demo pipeline. In build schedule, select manual, click next, click create new recipe, select Amazon machine image, enter name my demo recipe, enter version 1.0.0. So in build schedule, select manual, click next, then in recipe select create new recipe. In image type, select Amazon machine image, enter the name my demo recipe, enter the version 1.0.0. Select managed images, select Amazon Linux 2, select quick start Amazon managed. In image ARN, select Amazon Linux 2 x86, select use the latest available OS version for auto versioning options. So select managed images, select Amazon Linux 2 in image operating system, then in image ARN, select Amazon Linux 2 x86 and not ARM64. Then in auto versioning options, use the latest available OS version. In build components, Amazon Linux, select Amazon Coretta level 11 headless used for Java, and in next page select AWS CLI version 2 Linux. Reorder the selected component if you want by dragging, click next, select create a new infrastructure option. So select Amazon Coretta level 1 headless, it is used for installing Java. Then select AWS CLI version 2 Linux, you can see it is on page 2. So you have to go to page 2 first. Then you can drag and drop whatever you want to install first, it doesn't really matter. Next you would select just click on next, then infrastructure option configuration, select create a new infrastructure configuration. In IMA role, click create new role and open new tab, go to roles, click create role, select AWS service, select EC2, click next permissions. In policy search for EC2 instance profile for image builder, select EC2 instance profile for image builder and EC2 instance profile for image builder ECR container builds. Then search for Amazon SSM managed instance core, select it as well, click next, tags, click next, review. So once you do this, click on create new role, so it will open in a new tab. Click create role, select AWS service and also select EC2 in common use cases. Click next permissions. Then search for EC2 instant profile for image builder. Select both profile for image builder as well as profile for image builder ECR container builds. Then search for Amazon SSM managed instance core. Select it as well. Then click next tags. Click next review. Yeah, I think I'll come back to this. 831. In role name, enter EC2 instance profile for image builder. Click create role. Go back to EC2 image builder where you left off. Select create a new infrastructure configuration. In name, my demo infra. In IMA role, select EC2 instance for image builder. In AWS infrastructure, in instance type, select T2 micro. Click next. In builds distribution settings, select create distribution settings using user default. Click next and then click create pipeline. So give a role name as EC2 instance profile for image builder. Click create role. Then select create a new infrastructure configuration. In IMA role, select EC2 instance profile for image builder. Then in instance type, select T2 micro. Then click next. Select create distribution settings using service defaults. Click next. Click create pipeline. Click on your pipeline, that is my demo pipeline. Click action, run pipeline. Click view details. Click on the output image. Overall pipeline execution can take 30 plus minutes. Wait until the status is building. Now go to EC2 instance. In new tab you should see a build instance and go to previous tab. Wait till the status is testing for the my demo recipe. Now if you go back to EC2 instance and refresh, you will see that build instance is terminated. Test instance is running. Next, the test instance is also terminated. So select your my demo pipeline. Next, click action, run pipeline. You will see the status is enabled. Now if you click go to output images, you have to click on your AMI, which is like 1.0.0/1. Then it opens this. The status is building. This might take around 30 plus minutes. So once the status is building, you have to go to your instances and check. You can see the EC2 instance is running. Now come back to the previous page and wait for a few more minutes. Overall pipeline execution can take 30 plus minutes. Now the status is testing. Now if you go back to your EC2 instance again, you can see that build instance is terminated. Test instance is running. After some time, when you go back over here again, I think once the status is available for my demo recipe, and if you come back over here again back to EC2 instance, you can see that both test instance and build instance are terminated. Go to my demo recipe and status should be available. Okay, go to EC2 instance and click launch instance. Give name as test from AMI. Select my image, select owned by me, select my demo recipe, select instance type as T2 micro and key pair name. Proceed without a key pair. For network settings, click edit. Select select existing security group. Select launch wizard 1. Click launch instance. So you can see that the status is available. I have gone back to my EC2 instances, and you can see both of them are terminated. I'll click on I think I will click on launch instance, give it as name test from AMI. In my AMI is owned by me, select my demo recipe. Key pair instance type should be T2 micro for free usage. Key pair name, select proceed without a key pair, though it is not recommended, but it is okay for our usage. In network settings, click edit. Then select launch wizard. Select first, select existing security group, and then select launch wizard 1 in select security groups. Then click on launch instance. Go back to EC2 instance, and once your instance is running, select it and click connect. Select EC2 instance, connect, enter username as EC2 user, click connect, and you can check if Java and AWS CLI was installed by running Java dash dash version first and then running AWS dash dash version. Now go to your instance and select it and terminate by clicking instance state. Go to your AMIs, select your AMI, click actions, click deregister AMI, go to snapshots, select it, click actions, delete snapshot. You can delete the pipeline as well, but it was manual, it won't run on its own. So select your EC2 instance, click connect. It will for username enter EC2 dash user, click connect. It would open, then enter Java dash dash version, AWS dash dash version. Then you can again go back to your EC2 instance, select it, instance type, instance state, sorry, click on terminate instance. Then go to AMI, select it, click actions, deregister AMI. Then go to snapshot, select it, go to actions, delete snapshot. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.